In the tropics, CBS42 Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum joining us now.
Yeah, Dave, a new tropical threat.
Yeah, fortunately not in the short term, though. We should get through Election Day without any problems there. But as we head toward the weekend, this could be a rainmaker for us. But it could also be nothing for us, too. I'll explain here in just a little bit. Right now, 68 degrees, a little breezy out there. Muggy, too. The dew point in the lower 60s here in town. Look at these wind gusts. 21 here in Birmingham, 22 Tuscaloosa, fade at 20. It will stay breezy overnight tonight, too, with some of those gusts close to that 20-mile-per-hour mark into tomorrow as well. So do expect a breezy day tomorrow. Reason why we have it, strong area low pressure and cold front with a lot of severe weather out here in the Plain States, back to parts of the Arkansas area. Big ridge of high pressure on the eastern seaboard. In between, you have here in Alabama. And it's just like with the garden hose, with the water coming out of it, when you put your thumb over the end of it, what happens to the water? It comes out quicker, and because the water has to squeeze through a smaller area. And that's indeed what's happening here and why we're seeing those windy conditions out there today and tomorrow. Low temperatures tonight should be in the lower 60s to middle 60s, well above the 46 we should be for lows this time of year. And for your election day, temperatures there 64 in the morning, heading into the mid 70s to upper 70s in the afternoon. But we will have a small chance for a sprinkle along with those breezy conditions and temperatures around 78 degrees. So tomorrow again, maybe a small chance for some rain. Heading to Wednesday through Friday, it's going to be warm and humid. We'll have additional chances for rain there. However, not expected to be anything significant. Then the weekend, we're watching Rafael. We'll see what happens with this system, where it goes. Could bring us rain Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday as well. But at the moment, there's a lot of uncertainty with this. Now, we do know for certain it will become a hurricane Wednesday. It will be in the Gulf of Mexico Wednesday. Then it goes a little bit crazy with what could happen with the system here, because it's November, not September, when you get a tropical system in the Gulf. Big difference there, but we could see some impacts with rain this weekend. Right now, winds are sitting at 45, moving north-northwest at 12. The pressure 996 millibars. You'll see here it is expected to work its way just past Jamaica over the Caymans as a strong tropical storm. And by Wednesday, Category 1 hurricane here, moving over kind of this small, skinnier tip there of Cuba, so not expected to disrupt it much. Notice still a 90-mile-per-hour hurricane by 6 p.m. on Wednesday, and then it starts to weaken. Then the models kind of go all over the place. You might be thinking, oh, Dave, it's turning. That's great. Well, notice the cone does stretch it all the way here to about Pensacola, Florida, to staying down the Gulf of Mexico. What's going to happen with this is going to be battling strong wind shear, dry air, and this big trough to the north going to help to move this system potentially away from us or potentially toward our area too. Plus the water temperatures are going to be much cooler here. So the models really go anywhere in this circle here. And because of that, it's likely that the center of circulation may not have any thunderstorms around it at all and kind of move off to the north, and all the thunderstorms stay off to the east of it potentially. So this is something we'll be watching here. Very complicated forecast once the system gets into the Gulf. Not expected to rapidly intensify, rather expected to weaken quite a bit there. And you can see that on the models as it works its way past Cuba here. And then notice how, again, where the thunderstorms are staying off here, really not much to it by Friday. Look at that. Barely any rain tied with it. However, once it moves inland, merges with the cold front, we'll start seeing a little rain returning to our areas. That would be very welcome rain, but nothing too significant. So again, tomorrow, small chance for rain, a few more showers there through Friday, and there again tracking Rafael this weekend. Right now, I have a 40% chance for rain, but this will likely change before